Let's look at more problems in limits. Limit of 2 by x square minus 1 plus 1 by 1 minus x as x approaches 1. Now what happens when it approaches 1? 1 square minus 1 becomes 0, and 1 minus 1 it becomes. So this also becomes 0. So which means we can't directly substitute it. We need to convert this into some form where the denominator doesn't remain 0. Okay, so let's limit as x approaches 1. Let's take the LCM. Now one way we can do is x square minus 1 and 1 minus x. So let's take minus out, so it becomes x minus 1. Yes, so x minus 1, and this is x square minus 1 square, so x minus 1, x plus 1. So LCM would be x minus 1, x plus 1, so which means x square minus 1. Okay, x square minus 1, this is same, so 2 plus this is 1 minus x times minus 1. Okay, so this will be x plus 1. See here, x minus 1. No, here x minus 1 is already there. Minus x plus 1. Okay, so limit as x approaches 1, 2 minus x minus 1 by x square minus 1. So this would be minus x plus 1 by x square minus 1. Now this x square minus 1 can be written as x plus 1 times x minus 1. So if we remove this if we take out minus, so x minus 1. So x minus 1 and x minus 1 gets knocked off. So we are left with x approaches 1 minus 1 by x plus 1. So now we can directly do substitution. So minus 1 by x, which is going to be 1 plus 1, which is minus half. So here, mostly algebra plays a major role. So you need to be very good in your algebra. Okay, let's take another one. Limit as x approaches 3 of x square minus 9 divided by x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6, 54, 7 minus 54 plus 33 minus 6. This is what it comes to. So these two become 60 and these two become 60. So 60 minus 60 is 0. So denominator becomes 0. Okay, so let's manipulate this. X plus 3, x minus 3. Okay, let's divide this by x, one of them, x minus 3, let's say. So x square will give you x square, x cube minus 3x square minus plus, so minus 3x square plus 11x minus 3x, so minus 3x square plus 9x, 2x minus 6 plus 2, 2x minus 6. So that means x minus 3 is 1, right, and x square minus 3x plus 2 is the other. So let's x plus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3 is 1, x minus 2 ones 2, 2 ones 2, this should be 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so x minus 3 gets cancelled. Now if we substitute, what happens? 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 3 plus 3 by 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, which is 6 by 3 minus 2 is 1, 2, 2 3's. So limit is 3. Let's take a few more. A limit of x by 1 plus x minus 1 minus x as x approaches 0. So when it approaches 0, what happens? Square root of 1 plus x becomes square root of 1 minus square root of 1. 1 minus 1, so which is 0. Okay, one thing that we can do here is to remove the square roots from the denominator. How do we do that? Let's multiply both numerator and denominator with the denominator's conjugate. 1 plus x plus, this is the conjugate, 1 minus x by square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x. Now what happens? This becomes square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x. Denominator, what happens? This is a minus b, this is a plus b. So that is a square minus b square. So square root of 1 plus x the whole square minus square root of 1 minus x the whole square. So limit as x approaches 0 becomes square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x divided by, this becomes 1 plus x minus 1 minus x. So limit as x approaches 0 becomes x divided by 1 plus x minus 1 plus x. So 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x. 1 minus 1 is 0. X plus x is 2x. So x and this x gets cancelled. So we are left with square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x by 2. Now we can substitute. So this becomes equal to 1 plus 0 plus 1 minus 0 by 2, which is equal to square root of 1 plus square root of 1 by 2, which is 1 plus 1 by 2, which is 2 by 2, which is 1. The same would happen in the numerator also. Say for example, limit as x approaches 0 of 1 plus x square minus square root of 1 minus x square divided by x. Here also we can multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator now. So 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square by x times, no, that is the next step, that is square root of 1 plus x square plus square root of 1 minus x square. So limit as x approaches 0 becomes 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x square divided by, and this becomes 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square. Okay, so this is 1, this becomes minus 1. So this becomes 0. Minus into minus, this becomes x square plus x square. So plus x square plus x square, 2x square by x square root of plus x square plus square root of 1 minus x square. So this square and this x gets cut off. So x approaches 0. This becomes 2x by square root of 1 plus x square plus square root of 1 minus x square. Now denominator, what happens when I put 0? It becomes square root of 1 plus square root of 1. So that is 2. So denominator, it will not be 0. So now we can directly do substitution. Numerator becomes 0. So which means the whole thing becomes 0. Limit as x approaches 3 of 2x plus 3 minus 4x minus 3 divided by x cube minus 27. Okay, so we know what to do. If we put 3 is 9, 3 is 27, minus 27 becomes 0. So we need to rationalize this. So 2x plus 3 plus 4x minus 3 divided by 2x plus 3 plus 4x minus 3. This becomes square roots go off. So 2x plus 3 minus 4x minus 3 divided by, this becomes x cube minus 27. If you know your identities, x cube minus 3 cube, this becomes. So this would be equal to x minus 3 times x square plus 3x plus 9. And this comes from your conjugate multiplication. So limit as x approaches 3 minus 2x plus 6. Now this can be written as 2 times 3 minus x, or if we take out this becomes x minus 3, right? So now we can remove this. X minus 3, x square plus 3x plus 9 square root of 2x plus 3 minus square root of 4x minus 3. Now let's directly substitute now. So this will become equal to 2, 3 minus 3, 0. So everything becomes 0. No, that should not be the case. X minus 3 gets cancelled. So now when we substitute by 3, we get minus 2 divided by 3 square is 9 plus 3 times 3 is 9 plus 9 square root of 3 2 is 6 plus 3 9 minus square root of 4 3 is 12 minus 3 is 9. This is plus, so this should be plus. So now minus 2 by 9 plus 9 is 27. This becomes 3 plus 3. So minus 2 by 27 times 6. Or let's simplify it a little bit, 2 3s. So we end up with minus 1 by 81. So that is the limit. I think that's enough. Bye for now.
Please go to the about page of my channel, and here you will find various links for each topic. These are Excel workbooks which I have been using in many of my videos. Download it and practice.